and everything between my royals. We are getting back into Mr. DPR Ian. Thank you again to the lovely royal who sent me this playlist of the music videos that he's come out with in order because he does have a storyline to his music videos, which I love. The artiste that this man is, Lord. Um, but what we are watching today is we're gonna watch three today. We're gonna watch Nerves, then Scaredy Cat, and then this is Welcome to the Show, the official Mito, 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 Mito. I don't know. But we're gonna watch three today because it's been a while since I've done DPR Ian, and I feel bad that I've been kind of neglecting him a little bit. I'm sorry, babes. I'm sorry. I love you though. But oh,
Hey girl, I heard you're leaving town. Hey girl, it might not matter now. Hey girl, maybe it worked somehow. That's what I tell myself when you lie down tonight. So many times I cut off, held on. I still can't believe I left you all alone. It tore me down to pieces. You'll never know how much I wished I never let you go. Hi, how you doing? I heard you seem to be happy now.
oh,
Hi, how you doing? Don't worry about me, cause I'm doing fine. So you came around my house and you left your marks with your fingertips. I'm sitting where you sat down, and now he's looking for something meaningless. I'm getting little nervous. I'm getting to the surface. I'm getting little nervous. I'm getting to the surface. Hi, how you doing? I heard you seem to be happy now. Hi, how you doing? Don't worry about me, cause I'm doing fine. 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 Girl, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. Swear it's not a lie. I'm doing fine. Girl, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. Swear it's not a lie. I'm getting little nervous. I'm getting to the surface. I'm getting little nervous. I'm getting to the surface. Getting little nervous. Just getting to the surface. You got a little nervous of running back to you when you were ill. And I'm sorry, I was hurting too much to know that you were standing right there. And I'm sorry, I will sing this song to you to tell you I really care. And I'm sorry when I left you all alone, girl. I know that wasn't fair, cause I loved you. He loved you, loved you.
Ian, sir. Mm-hmm. I was on the verge of tears. Oh my god. And also the way that is like with the instrumental of the song and even of like the effects of like the sound of like the voices that he used, it's like it's 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 almost anxiety inducing, and I wonder if that was a purposeful thing. But I can relate to like one part of the lyrics where it's like, oh, like I was too scared to see that you were like really there, and I'm like, ah, woo, and that is on trauma. Well, for me, at least. I don't know about him, but for me, yes. Mm-hmm. Damn. So, okay. Because I know it's going to go to the next one. It's a playlist. So,
Joining the manhunt
this is Scaredy Cat.
Continues. Police reports discovering the horrific body. 6 years have passed by. Last seen at the Devil's Diner.
Railroad tracks.
Witnesses say the suspect may be missing an eye.
Oh.
I think I'm scared of all the signs. Don't ever leave me alone at night. I think I'm scared, I don't know why. Just leave the lights on and close the blinds. I'm a scaredy cat. Please no more heart attacks. I'm a scaredy cat. Please no more heart attacks. I think I'm scared, I have no time. I scream out loud just to see if I'm alive. I think I'm scared, I don't know why. So leave the lights on, I'll stay inside. Because I'm a scaredy cat. Please no more heart attacks. Because I'm a scaredy cat. Please no more heart attacks. Dial 911, I'm calling from under my bed.
The beat is so. I want to dance to the beat, but then reading the lyrics is like, should I be dancing to this? Like, should I be dancing to this? Like, I'm reading the lyrics. And also the lyric where it says that I scream out loud just to see if I'm like still alive. It's like I do that a lot. Like I scream into a pillow. I just scream out loud, just like because there's a lot of times where I feel like I'm not here, and I need to make sure that everything around me is real. You know, you probably would understand that, and that's fine. That's fine. Also, I don't know the order of when these videos are going to come out, but I recorded a video of me answering a question someone left on a video I made about like how God is working through my BPD. And in the video, I brought up of how I have a new recent added on diagnosis of bipolar 2 disorder. And since getting that diagnosis, there's been a lot of connecting the dots happening along with the BPD diagnosis that I already have. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna play.
It's hard to breathe when you're not there. I find everything a nightmare. Sometimes I know you don't care, but I feel like I'm disappearing in a hole. And nobody will know, nobody will go. Except when I'm with you, sitting in my room alone. And nobody will know, nobody will go. Except when I'm. Why does no one understand when I say I am just afraid? Why does no one lend a hand when I say I will drift away? And there are clouds in the sky, and I'm always terrified they might just rain on me. I'm losing my mind, I think I'll be alright. Just hold my hand, you'll see. I'm a scaredy cat. Please no more heart attacks. I'm
And then, okay, there was a line that I had like a little bit of I was like, oh, a reaction to it. That is like he was saying something was like, oh, like something that's like, but not when I'm with you. And then it made me think of how I don't think there's a favorite person when it comes to bipolar, but with BPD there is this thing called like a favorite person or FP. I don't have a favorite person. Well, at least not right now. I used to have a favorite person, but I broke up with them. Uh, it reminded me. It was that lyric that reminded me of that. I was like, oh, um. But what is it? Now we have Welcome to the Show official. I think it's Mido. I think that's how you pronounce it. Mido premiere. Let's see what this is. I feel like I've been here before. Everything feels familiar. I wonder if they are my memories or if it's his. Oh, this is the introduction to Mido. I feel like I've been here before. This is like his. Mido. That's how you say it. Mido.
Just stay for the show. No candlelight to take you home. You tried bringing out the sunny times. You're not really good at telling lies. So sick of keeping it all in. I just want you to close all the doors.
Wow. His voice is so, and it's like him saying like "Welcome to the show." That's like welcome. This is like the other part of me that you're about to get like introduced to. And then he was like him saying earlier that I was like, oh, like it feels so familiar. That's like this person. There's like, who are you? And it's like I'm Mido. Like that, like the personality kind of split. Do I want to do more than 3 now? I think I do. Mood swings into order. Official. Is it documentary? He came out with a documentary? So I need to watch the documentary. There's a documentary that he came out with. Okay. Oh god, I haven't been liking it because I had it in full screen. God damn it. I always try to like all the videos. See, now I'm curious about this documentary. Hold on. have to watch this documentary. Where can I watch this? Okay. And then there's, well, I said I was gonna watch 3. Where I said I was gonna watch 3 and official Naito movie part 1. Oh, that's part 1. Okay, we're gonna stop here. We're gonna stop here. I'm getting ahead of myself because I'm like, there's like the Naito movie teaser, and then there's like the Naito movie part 1, but there's part 2 here. No, it's not. Did they come out with a part 2? Someone let me know in the comments, please. Because if this man came out with like a full movie, like documentary, I want to watch it. Like, hello? I got, so sidetracked. I'm sorry. Um, that's it for today. For today, there will be more DPR Ian in the future, of course. I love this man so much. His creativity, his artistry, his everything. If you enjoyed what you saw, it would be nice if you press the like button to help spread this out to other people. I have the Google form link. It is the first link in the description where you can send in more reaction requests. If there is like the full thing of the Naito movie and the documentary, like somewhere on YouTube, like link it in the reaction request form, please, please. Um, Also, if you want to see more content like this from me, subscribe. It'll be greatly appreciated. Because we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. See, I was trying to say subscribers and followers at the same time. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. It'll be nice to reach 1,000 by the end of the month or before February 1st. So that'll be a nice goal to complete to start our 2025 off right with, you know? But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.